Okay, today I'm going to be showing how to make a DIY fidget spinner out of Legos. So first thing you do, so I'm just going to be showing you how to make it. You get one of these little pieces, stick it onto the tire, then stick it onto one of these. They come in the wrecking ball set, and I mix all the sets up. And then you get these 4x2s. I have four. You need 4 of them. So you put them all on. And then you put this 8x8 on top. And there you go. You got a fidget spinner. And don't forget to comment, not to comment, like and subscribe.
How do you do that?
Zach out. You say what's up?
Okay, turn it off.
Stop the video.
Cutthroat. Noggin. I did hot throw.